Readers, hello, nice to see you today. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to go as fast as I can and give you an overview of this week's assignments in Schoology for reading and writing. Are you ready? Okay, wait, actually, before I do that, I have to tell you something. I have learned that many of you are balancing a lot right now. Not only do you have weekly assignments in reading and writing, but you're also getting math work, you're getting science work, you have social studies. Some of you have work from your dual language class. I don't know if the elective classes are sending work. That is a lot for you to manage on your own. I'm here today to tell you that it is your job to keep that in balance and to stay healthy. What healthy means is not just physically healthy from COVID-19, but also emotionally healthy, okay? As long as you are trying your best and you're getting a little bit of a balance of reading, math, other subjects, you are fine. Don't stress out about falling behind, and don't stress out if there's certain work that you don't get to, okay? Okay, if you need an extension on anything, just message me in the top, okay? This is where you message me, right here. Okay, anyway, back to it. So here you are on your Schoology page. This week's assignments are in the blue folder right here. And notice it says comic strip. Yes, that's right. This week you are going to get to make a digital comic strip. So click on the blue folder to see this week's assignments. As always, our folders are organized by day of the week. You're welcome to work ahead if you want to, or you can just bite off a little bit each day. So let's take a look at the trail guide. Remember, the trail guide is that checklist that helps you to know exactly what you need to do each day. So here it all is. If you have a printer at home, I recommend that you print this and you literally check it off by hand. If you don't have a printer, you could take a picture of it with your phone and you could mark it up in your phone in Notepad or whatever, okay? So these are all the things that I'm about to show you in these folders. So Monday, check it out. Virtual class meeting. Yes, Monday, 11 a.m. Check your messages up here in this folder. You should have a message from me, and the link is in there. We'll meet at Zoom, on Zoom for only half an hour, 11 to 11:30, okay? Quarantine journal post, go ahead and type your answer right in there. And then our discussion for this week is a show and tell. So you get to pick an item from your house to show and tell about. Very silly, very fun. Okay, that's Monday. On Tuesday, you have a story to read. This is a really great story, but it's a little bit on the long side, so I just have only that for Tuesday, okay? On Wednesday, there are some reading questions for the story that you read on Tuesday. So it's called an assessment, but it's just reading questions, okay? And then there's another discussion board for you to chat with your friends. It's called When This Is Over, I Will. Again, very silly, very fun. Thursday, this is where the good stuff happens. You get to make a comic strip of the book that you're reading. So we're going to use this software called Storyboard That, okay? And there's some examples here for you to take a look at. Watch this video right here to show you how to get started with Storyboard That. Or if you are an artist, and I know so many of you are amazing artists, you can always draw it by hand as well. So make sure that you read all this stuff in order to get all the instructions, and it is due on Friday. So moving back to our folder for the week, that story comic is Thursday, and you also have Friday to do that. So you have Thursday and Friday to work on that story comic, okay? Last couple things in the folder. We already looked at the trail guide. This week's challenge is a Boggle word search. Many of you won the emoji challenge from last week or the week before, and you got a very special prize in the mail from me. You know who you are. This week is a little different. It is a word search challenge. So here is the game board right here. Here are the rules and the instructions. If you have questions, let me know, and you will get a prize and a shout out. Congratulations to last week's winners right here. Okay, and then final thing that I want to show you in here, we have last week's winners of Meme Monday, and this week's Meme Monday is right here. Make sure you comment for your caption and like things in order to vote for them, okay? So you know where to find me. Can't wait to see you Monday. Good luck.